My name is Jeff Weiler, and I own and operate Factory 109 Motorsports, where we're doing a lot of off-road stuff, mainly in aluminum, so high speeds, efficiency, and getting the product out there is essential. Aronson Campbell it's basically like a family. You call up, they get to know you, and the next time you call, they know what you're doing. Having the grind shop that Aronson has is something that you don't get everywhere else. You can go in there and say, I need the corners cut off this tool, and you can get it quickly, but also to my needs. I don't necessarily need the tool that's off the shelf. I need the tool that fits the project I'm working on. They'll stand behind their product. They'll stand behind their quality. You know, I don't have to call customer service and say, hey, I've been on hold for 45 minutes. Can you help me? No, I can walk in, talk with the guys, or call them up and say, hey, this is what I need, and they'll stand behind it. I plan to be here for the next 50, 60 years, and they'll be my shop.